What is good, YouTube? As you can see, we got a big box right here. As you can see by the title and thumbnail, changing the headlights, changing the fog lights. But before the video starts, bro, make sure to like, subscribe, y'all. Let's get on it. Let's get the bumper off. And yeah, let's get to it. All right, now we gotta take this off. As you can see, some pins over here. So let's get that off real quick. Boom, as you can see, we got this off now. Now to take these dang bolts out too. All right, so as you can see, we got the bolts at the front out, and I got the bolts down here out, but I gotta get this off the fender liner so that I can just have the bumper sag down. So let's do that real quick too. So as you can see, we got the bumper slightly off. I'm not going to take off the belly pan because I can reach the headlight and the fog light from here. But yeah, let's go ahead and get these out of here and throw them away. No, I'm not throwing them away, but yeah, let's go ahead and get these off the car and then show what it looks like. So we got one headlight out. So for the headlights, it's just this bolt right here, this bolt right here, and then this one right here. Let me show what it looks like on the other side. So it'll be this one up top, this one around right here, if you can see that, and then this one right here on the side, which I'm about to take off to get this second headlight off. So as y'all can see, looking a bit naked. We got both headlights out. Now let's tackle the fog lights. Let's get these out real quick. All right, so as y'all can see, headlights out, and now fog lights out. So let's knock out the other side too. And yeah, pretty much almost done with the uninstall, basically. As y'all can see, we got all of them out right here. Bruh, never seen a car without the fog lights. Obviously, I've changed the headlights before, but it's the first time I'm changing fog lights. But yeah, now let's get to the headlights, bro. All right, new fog lights just came in, bro. Let's put them on the car. Yes, sir. As y'all can see, we got the fog lights in, bro. Ooh. Boom, sequential. Bro, it looks so good. Telling y'all, bro. All right, now to install the headlights. All right. Boom. Yeah, let's take this like out of the dang. The wrapping. It's like opening a present on Christmas. Ooh. That be wrapped up and protected, man. So left side. All right, let's go ahead and get this installed real quick. Ooh, boy, look at these, bro. We just put them in. Obviously, I still got to do some wiring, but. And you know, some placement work, but oh my goodness, bro. That is fire, bro. Ooh. Facts. So as y'all can see, the headlights are fully installed. It's a bit light out here, so you might not be able to see the purple, but hold on. Let me come over this side and see if y'all can see it a little bit better. I'll put some clips of it at night. Like, it looks a lot better at night. With the sun out, it's, you know, not as good. But honestly, bro, I love these so much. And as you can see, the fog lights as well. But yeah, y'all, hold on. Let me show y'all real quick. Let me just key on and just show y'all what it looks like what the hazards kind of look like. As you can see, it's kind of like a sequential thing, which I really, really like because it matches like the Ford sequential, the Ford sequentialness, if that's a word. But yeah, I just think it's really cool. I do have these gaps, which I've actually had before with different headlights. And honestly, I think it's a Ford thing with the bumper. It just really, really annoys me. But yeah, that's how these headlights are sitting now. This is currently how the car is sitting. We also actually installed something in the back. Let me show y'all real quick. So we also installed these right here, which kind of makes the rear diffuser look more OEM plus. I was kind of tired of the street arrow ones that I had, so I had to throw these on. But yeah, these are new headlights. I hope y'all enjoyed the video.